Good morning, children. How are you all today? What are we learning this time? We are learning about fruits. Yes, we learned about flowers, we learned about parts of the plant, what plant needs to grow. We learned so many. How does the plant grow? So, fruit is a part of a plant and we eat those fruits. Yes or no? And what does fruit give us? Fruits gives us energy, minerals, vitamins, so many things. Yes or no? So teacher has some stick puppets over here and we are going to use those puppets to learn our fruits topic. So the first fruit is mango. Mango is the king of the fruit. Yes, we get mangoes in two colors, green color mango and yellow color mango. Green mango is raw mango which is used to make pickles and juices, and yellow mango is used for eating. We make candies and we make sweet amras for that, from that. Yes or no? Mango is the king of the fruit. Then we have apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, apple is nice red in color, and when we cut the apple from inside it is off white in color. An apple has few seeds, whereas mango has only one seed. Then we have watermelon and we have papaya. See, watermelon and papaya. These two fruits have many seeds inside them. The watermelon seeds are black in color and they are not sticky. But when you see papaya seeds, when you touch them, they are very sticky. Very sticky. And there are many seeds inside the papaya fruit. And when the watermelon, from outside it is green in color, but when we cut the watermelon it is nice and red in color. And watermelon, it's a juicy fruit, but papaya outside also yellow orange in color. When you cut the fruit, inside also it is yellow orange in color. And papaya is a fleshy fruit. Papaya is a fleshy fruit. Watermelon is a juicy fruit. Then we have pineapple. Pineapple, see, like watermelon and papaya, these three fruits are big fruits. Now, grape is a small fruit, grapes. Apple is a little bit big fruit. Orange, mango, sweet lime, chiku, ये सब बड़े हैं. But watermelon, papaya and pineapple, they are big fruits. Yes or no? They are big fruits. और एक भी फ्रूट हम लोग को मिल सकता है. बट वेन वी गो टू बाय ग्रेप्स, आपको सिंगल ग्रेप्स मिलेगी नहीं. यू विल नॉट गेट अ सिंगल ग्रेप्स और अ बनाना. दे कम इन अ बंच. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट पाइनएप्पल फर्स्ट. पाइनएप्पल, it grows on a shrub, and when you touch all these things it is very pricky. एक कांटे जैसा होता है and ये लगता है हमें. But when we cut the skin, we remove the skin, and from inside it is nice light yellow color. And pineapple is very juicy fruit. इसका जूस बहुत ही टेस्टी होता है and it is very good for our health also. So pineapple is a pricky fruit and a big fruit. Now next we have grapes. See, this is single grape, but ये पूरा जो grapes का bunch है, this is called bunch of grapes, and there are many grapes inside the bunch, and we get grapes in three colors: green grapes, then we have black grapes, and we also have red grapes. The teacher has told you mango has one seed, then apple has few seeds. Watermelon and papaya, they have many seeds. Pineapple and green grapes and black grapes, they don't have seeds. उनको seeds होते ही नहीं है. Yes or no? But जो red grapes होती है, that grape has one or two seeds inside it. And what is the taste of this grapes? It is sweet and sour in taste. So grapes. Then we have pear. Pear has few seeds. From out it is light green in color. The color of the pear is light green, and from inside it is white in color. And even the pear is very juicy fruit. Then we have small fruit like grapes. the cherries. Yes or no? There are two. One is cherry, but there are two, so we call it cherries. And when we eat the cherries, there is only one seed inside. And you know, cherry is my favorite fruit. मुझे cherries खाना बहुत पसंद है. Nice, bright red in color. Then we have sweet lime. What is the color of the sweet lime? It is nice yellowish green in color. And when we cut the sweet lime, when we remove the skin, there are lots and lots of slices inside. Same like oranges. यहाँ पे oranges तो नहीं है टीचर के पास, but teacher showed you in the PowerPoint that day. Oranges के भी बहुत सारे slices होते हैं, and sweet lime के भी बहुत सारे slices होते हैं. So these slices are very very yummy and juicy. And oranges and sweet lime, they have very very few seeds inside them. Then we have nice and cute strawberry. You all like strawberry? Yes. As mango, we get in only summer season. So this strawberry we get in winter season. जब बहुत ठंडी होती है, that time we get this strawberries. And they are small and sweet and sour in taste. And they are not juicy fruit. They are fleshy fruit. Mango, papaya, strawberry, banana, they all are fleshy fruits, whereas oranges, sweet lime, watermelon, these all are juicy fruits. And last we have bananas. Bananas also we get in a bunch, and bananas also we get in two different colors. The green banana which are raw, and the yellow bananas which are ripe. Yellow bananas we make milkshake, we make banana ice cream, banana candies. There are so many things which we make from the fruits. And when we mix all these fruits, we can make something what we put on the bread. What is that? Yes, it is jam. These सब fruits को mix करके क्या बनता है? Jam. We make jellies, we make juices, we make candies. There are so many things which are made from the fruits. Fruit salad, fruit chaat. There are so many different items what we make from fruits. So now we are going to take our EVS book, EVS activity book, and you're going to open page number 1818. 1818. So we'll read first and foremost thing. We are going to put the date and the day. Date and the day is very very important. Then goes the heading. Put a tick mark on the fruits which have only one seed. Now teacher taught you there are many fruits which have only one seed. Yes, we will remember. और जो भी fruit को one seed है उसके box में हम लोग tick mark करेंगे. Okay, this is a peach. Peach, see there is only one seed inside. Yes, so we are going to put a tick mark on the peach fruit. Then we have jamun. Like cherry has one seed, even the jamun has one seed. Last time teacher ने सिखाया था, when we eat the jamun, our tongue becomes purple in color. Yes, so jamun also one seed. Then we have pomegranate. Last time teacher told you pomegranate. Yes, the seed itself is a fruit. हम लोग उसकी seeds ही खाते हैं. There are many seeds in the pomegranate. ये सब है ना different. They are seeds only, and we eat that seeds. There are many seeds, so we are not going to tick mark the pomegranate. Papaya. Teacher told you papaya has lots and lots of black color, round and round, sticky seeds. So it has many seeds, so we are not going to tick mark that. Mango, the king of the fruit. It has only one big seed. So a tick mark for mango. So we are going to tick mark peach, jamun and mango. Then you are going to come down to page number 1919. Again you are going to write the date 11th of September to 2020 and the day is Friday. And this is very easy. There are fruits over here and there are spellings. Last class हम लोग ने spellings सीखे थे. थोड़े याद होंगे. Yes. So you're going to see the spellings and you're going to match it. Matching is very easy. The first fruit is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Second is mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Third fruit is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. The fourth fruit is papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Then we have grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. And then we have last is peach. P-E-A-C-H, peach. So you are going to see the spelling here and you are going to match it with the fruit. So what is the first spelling? M-A-N-G-O, mango. So where is the mango? It is here. So dot to dot you are going to join it like this. Mango. Okay. Then second is A-P-P-L-E, apple. So here is the apple. Match it dot to dot. The third one is P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. So here is the papaya. Match it dot to dot. The next is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So here is the banana and you're going to match it. Okay, nice. X and X. So same way here. P-E-A-C-H, peach. So where is the peach? Here down, last fruit. So dot to dot with the peach. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. So here is the green grapes bunch. So you're going to match it nicely. These two exercises you will do it today. Next class teacher will do the another exercise which is behind backside. Okay, do it nicely. Click the photograph and send it to me. And learn all the spellings of the fruits teacher told you last time. Okay, thank you my dear children. Bye bye.